Welcome to the CellGate Property Management System Data Integration video. The purpose of this video is to prepare administrators that have integrated partners with CellGate, such as RealPage or Yardi, for the migration and integration of both systems. This will make resident information easier to manage from both ends. This diagram lays out the high-level process of migrating and syncing the data between the two systems. This integration video will cover the second section called Setup, and there will be further videos to follow each of the other main sections. Navigating to the partner system configuration. Once you have logged into the dealer portal, you should see these options. You can log in by going to manager.zapopen.com and use your dealer login credentials. If you do not have a dealer login, you will need to refer to our customer support team. On the main page, you will be able to select the partner system you will be integrating with and then move on to the next page where the details will be entered and the actual migration will take place. If you have any issues throughout this process, please contact CellGate. In the dealer portal, click on Partner System. Once in the Partner System section, you may select the appropriate interface for the property. On the bottom right of the page, click on Next. Adding account information. On the Import Resident page, you will choose the account you would like to manage the properties. Once you have selected the account, a listing of all the available properties associated to your company will be shown. Click the checkbox to the left of the properties you wish to be associated with the account. Defining call groups. Set migration to active status if you are in the process of setting the account up. Then, define how the call groups will be created for new imports. Here you can select how you would like to map new residents to call groups. Define the naming convention for the call groups created. There are 6 possible options for how group names will be displayed in the call directory on the device. Select if your property has units defined by a building and unit number, or only by a unit number. Select which phone number type will be migrated over from the property management system to the CellGate account. Assign residents or occupants to different types of groups within the CellGate system. After selecting the group you would like for the head of household or occupant, you can then select additional resident types and add them. After selecting the resident type, you can then select the group you would like for them as well. It is very important that both groups are assigned to at least one access point. If these criteria are not met, any attempt to migrate accounts over will lead to an error for that user. Once your property configuration is defined, click on Migrate. You will see a pop-up to confirm the configuration for the property. Click on OK to confirm the settings or Cancel to go back and make changes. The migration status bar will show your progress. Once it reaches 100%, you will be able to proceed by logging into TrueCloud Connect to verify the user data. Click on Log In, and you will be taken to TrueCloud Connect. Troubleshooting. Remember, if all names are unique in the property management system, then the call group names will be unique as well. Duplicate call group names will be numbered. For example, if there is already a J. Smith call group, the next one created with the same name would be J. Smith 1 and the next J. Smith 2. If you receive this error message, you can add access points from the Groups section in TrueCloud Connect. Select the group and then click Property Access and Restrictions. Here, an access point is enabled from the Groups Options screen. Here is a comparison matrix to show how the migration or sync process will treat data matches in the property management system and in CellGate's system. The sync and migration process will only affect new users in the system. All existing user data in the system will be protected in the process. This concludes our CellGate Property Management System Data Integration Instructional video. If you have any questions, please contact our dedicated CellGate support team. As always, thank you for being a part of the CellGate family.